Welcome to the Future of AI for Course Creators Summit 2026. So you need to get into AI if you've got any kind of business online. And if you are thinking you're just going to bury your head in the sand and think that this is going to go away, you are wrong. And you'll be left behind, more importantly. So you need to be staying in touch with what's going on. Doesn't mean learning a ton of new tools. It just means understanding what is going on with AI and how it kind of works, and to start using it in your workflow. Because I guarantee one thing, if you're not using it now, as soon as you start using it, you'll start realizing that you're saving a ton of time. And that is why we created this summit for you. This is running at 11:30 a.m. BST time on the 27th of May. And we are proud to have AI experts from around the world. Our keynote speaker is Neil Patel. He needs no introduction. He's a world-class marketing and SEO expert and has been for a number of years, helping countless businesses. He's going to be talking on search intent and how SEO, or the way you think SEO is now, creating content, is changing. And this is key to understanding what you need to do for your content going forwards. Now we also have Mike Samuels, and Mike Samuels is coming on, and he is an expert, and he will be showing you or helping you to use AI to write sales copy faster while keeping trust, clarity, and that all important human voice and authenticness. It's going to be a massively helpful one for you guys. So we also have Joel Erway coming in, and Joel Erway is going to show you how to create faster without relying on an agency for campaign ads. This is huge. So he's going to cut out a lot of that agency costs. If you're paying a ton of money to an agency, you can use AI to leverage so much time and expertise and not have to pay. Joel Erway is going to be another classic. We also have Gemma went, and she is looking at how to adopt AI, but how to live with it. So how to make it work responsibly and sustainably and at scale. So this is going to be a super interesting one. Next, we're going to move on to Noelle Russell. And she's going to be showing you, again, an AI expert. And she's going to be showing you how to utilize AI for your business going forwards and how to adopt best practices in these things. Right, next we have Rakesh coming in, the CEO of Zenler, and he's going to be talking all about Agentic AI. So Agentic AI is AI that does things, and he's going to be announcing some things during his slot as well. I'm going to be on there. I'm going to start the session off at 11:30, and I've got a action-packed hour where I'm showing you what is potential, what you can do now, what people are using AI for now, with a few little spins on stuff that you might not have thought of that AI can do for you. I'm going to pack it full of value. So I'm not going to do full workshops. I'm going to show you quickly loads of things that you can do with AI now, and how you can ask AI, how do I do that? David shared that. How do I do it? You can ask it. I'm going to show you a few little working samples as we go through, based on what lots of other speakers are talking about as well. So you're going to see a lot of little things that you can do. So you're probably going to have to watch the replay to slow it down a bit, because I work at a huge fast speed. I want to cover so much in my little slot. So we also have Miriam coming in, and it's going to be a classic one because she runs our live support desk at Zenler and looks after the communities. So for her, having some sort of trained AI is essential, because she needs to access thousands of videos, hundreds of courses that we've created, and she needs this information like this. So she's got a system that she's built that she can use to pull that information in. She can be sharing those kind of secrets with you. Right, we also have Kevin Arrow coming on. So we'll know Kevin, right? Kevin's going to do, this is unique. Kevin's going to tell you about safeguarding with AI. It's something you don't see in AI summits or workshops, but it's a key thing to understand how to safeguard yourself in the era of AI. Straight out of the ChatGPT book, right? In this digital landscape. We're also going to be covering those things about how AI uses these common words. So Kevin's going to be showing you all about that. He's going to be showing you about safeguarding. It's going to be super cool. Right. So that then brings us on to our Zenler users. So we've got Amit Arora. Amit's going to come in and he's going to do a half an hour action pack slot. And he's going to be basically creating a web page, right, a website, and he's going to back that into your Zenler platform as well, so you can take payments. So you're going to show you how you can do that. I'm also doing a slight twist on that in mine. It's a bit quicker, but it's using a different system to Amit. So we're trying to open you up to what's available out there. But I want to make one point really clear. This is not about adding more tools, learning new things. AI is supposed to make our lives simple. So it's actually going to cut down the tools when you use it properly. So I don't know how many subscriptions you guys have got, but you might find if you use these techniques that you can actually cut that right down. So Amit Arora is going to be just talking about that, and he's got a second slot as well that he's going to share something with you. I don't even know what it is. Right, so we got then we got Ashley Leeds coming in. So Ashley Leeds coming in, and he's going to show you. This is a really quick one. It's about a 10 minute recording that I've got of the guys from Zenler, and he's going to be showing you how he uses AI with his LinkedIn business. Right, so but still keeping that human side of things. So he's very much hands-on. He doesn't want AI to take over. He actually wants to be human about this. So, but he does use AI to speed up the production of certain things. You're going to see there's a constant going through this whole thing, and it's about keeping your voice. You are the stars. You're merely using AI to help you as a tool, okay, as a very powerful tool. So we also have Sophie B coming in as well. And again, she doesn't use all that AI has to offer, but she uses parts of it for her business that help her speed up production. So when the Zenler users and instructors are coming in and teaching you these are things that people are doing now. Just because people say, I use AI, there's different degrees, right? Some people are really crazy about it, like Amit or me. And then there's people that just use it for what they need, and they're just growing with it. So I'm hoping it's going to be very relatable for you guys. So you don't feel, oh, I should be learning all of this. I should be knowing all of this. No, if you haven't got a use for it, you don't need it. However, if you see one of the speakers talking about something and you think, I'm doing that, but this seems like it's so much quicker, then you use it. Okay. So we also have Wigley, Mr. Aloha, coming in. And he's really ploughed himself into AI, just like Amit has. He uses it for so many different things. So his business is teaching Excel, but he's now becoming a thought leader in AI itself. And this is really good to see. It's really good to see all the stuff that he's playing around with, just like Amit. And it's going to be a really good day It's going to run from 11:30 a.m. BST time till about 11:30 p.m. BST time. So it's going to run for probably 11 to 12 hours, maybe, right? So big day. There will be a replay, but we're thinking of limiting the replay to about 24, 48 hours, and then we'll evergreen it anyway. So you're going to get access, so don't worry about that. But what we haven't talked about is all the freebies and things you're going to get with this, because you're going to get a ton of free stuff with this as well. We're going to give you lots of things in there, playbooks and stuff, and we're putting all that together now. We got some of it already, and we're going to release it, and you're going to have a little control hub that you go into where you can access all this stuff and watch the replay, and the page will basically change over the next once we run the summit over the next few weeks. We're also going to do a warm-up period as well, so we're going to do a warm-up presentation. So we're going to probably a week before. We're going to just have me, Tim, maybe Kevin, Allie, Rakesh on there, and we'll invite you guys to come in to ask questions about what you want to see in the summit and these kind of things, right? And we'll be telling you what's going on in the summit and all of those sort of things. We can give you sort of like housekeeping, like what you should be doing when you take part to maximize your usage of this summit, because it's going to be epic. Make sure you're there. I'll see you really soon.